Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike back again with another forecast update for you for this July the 27th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Saturday out so far. Everybody had a great Saturday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay. In tonight's video, also the watch and warn advisory map currently, also the storm prediction center outlook for your Sunday, and also we're going to take a look at that system again from the National Hurricane Center. We'll discuss it a little bit more in detail toward the end of this video, so make sure you subscribe if you have not. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's go and get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see here is that little system here in the MDR region of the tropical Atlantic, which will move toward the Leeward Islands. Also may affect the Leeward Island, also into the Sunday forecast. As you can see, we've got showers up here from the coastal areas of Maine all the way down to the Rhode Island toward Massachusetts, region of Connecticut areas. More thunderstorms in Florida Keys to portion of the Carolinas, Ohio, Wisconsin, back in southern Canada, stretching back to Montana, Idaho, and Wyoming. More over here. Portion of and a little bit in North Dakota as well, and also some flooding, flash flooding and heavy rain over portions of Kentucky, Tennessee, down in Alabama and Georgia. All of this activity is for your Sunday, July 28th. Otherwise, high pressure is in charge in portion of much of Canada, portion of northeast United States, Newfoundland, also New Brunswick, down into portion of the eastern Carolinas, portion of Texas, New Mexico, Jamaica, Cuba, the Bahamas, Yucatan Peninsula, also the west coast of the United States as well. Alright, let's move on to your Monday forecast. Okay. A little bit Missouri to all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico, including Florida, Florida Keys, Carolinas, all the way toward Ohio. More shower activity over in portion of Washington, Oregon State, also in the portion of Nevada and Idaho, and also coastal areas. Otherwise, dry high pressure in charge of much of Canada, western U.S., central U.S., northeastern U.S., portion of the East. Okay, let's take a look at the watch and warn advisory map. But hopefully it'll come up here. Okay. Alright, you can see we got a Kansas area, down to portions of Wyoming, Colorado, Idaho, Utah. And also in Canada. Also have some storm warning along the coastal areas of the East Coast. Also a few pockets of small craft Advisory, wait for that thing still cool. Here's the tropical weather page. As you can see, we got tropical weather. There's a little system here. Chance of development over the next hours and a 40% over the next 7 days as it tracks off to the west-northwest toward the Leeward Island and also toward the Bahamas Islands as well. Alrighty, well, I'm not going to be able to show the severe weather outlook for tomorrow. My computer's messing up, so hope everybody has a wonderful evening. Take care. Enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got. Make sure you subscribe. We'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Saturday evening, folks.